Subi's down, or this video might be half black and white because the wrap on the car, I haven't even recorded, or I'm not even recording when I'm wrapping the car because I want to show you guys. But this dude fucked up the Subaru. It's a high mileage car, so it is what it is. We're gonna go test the alternator at the fucking O'Reilly. Alright, so we just took out the alternator. And let me get some shoes on and hop on the F30 because it's the only reliable right now. Look in the trunk. Let's see if this works. It worked. Excuse the mess. Shout out to AA Concept for the wing. Still looking fresh. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hold on, turn this thing down, cuh. We are driving the Beamer right now because we are gonna go check on the alternator, see if it works. But first, we're gonna stop at the bank to see if I have enough money to buy another one. Anyways, pick up the camera right now. Alright, so we made it to O'Reilly's. Excuse the fucking cracked windshield. We're gonna go in right now, test that thing. Alright, boys, so we just came back from AutoZone and O'Reilly's. We went to both places to test this thing out, and this one turns out to be good. So we're gonna slap it back on, and I went to borrow some jumper cables because I don't have any. So shout out to my boy Nismo, Miguel, however you guys know him for. I'm gonna put his IG right here. Anyways, so we're gonna slap this thing back on and jump it, see if it starts. Hopefully it starts, and hopefully it just needed a jump, and go from there. The fuck are you doing, bro? Oh shit. Hear that? Oh, that way. Positive. I was like, oh shit.
It's positive food, the fuck? You wanna disconnect that shit or what?
No way. No way. I'll hold it for you.
You can hold mine.
Oh, your butt cheeks. Oh, fucking idiot. This is... You're an idiot, bro. This is why I flipped that thing around,
God
dude.
Damn it. That's why you disconnect your shit, bleed.
You guys doing something like that? Disconnect your fucking battery.
I was working on it, you know what I mean? Alright, so este sí lo tengo que dejar así, güey, porque va a ser tension.
Here you go. So now give me the bracket. Yeah.
Yeah, where's the bracket at?
Such a fucking bad mechanic, bro.
God damn.
Some people trust this guy with their car.
God damn it. When they pay me.
I feel sorry for them. Hold your hand, dude. Oh, bro, party foul, bro. Party foul.
Is this yours or mine?
That's yours, dude. Just like that, boys, it's in. My brother's gonna put the finest touches, put the positive there, and connect the battery.
It's being kind of rough on me.
Damn, son.
It's getting loose with the fixed plate shit. I need to fucking fix this shit too. Yeah, it's fucking loose, no wonder. You know what?
Your throttle cable?
Yeah, what's that? Let's hope it starts.
Hold on. Okay, so after... Alright, so we put this one back on. We thought you might have just, by removing it, put it back on and jumping it would have started, but it's either it's not getting any spark or it's not getting any gas, one or the other. I don't smell any gas, so chances are it's not getting any spark. So at this point we're gonna have to do a spark plug change, and might as well just do the full tune-up. But today is not gonna be the day that I'm gonna do it, since the night is coming down already. And yeah, I'm sure this video is gonna be really short, but I'm just gonna put it out there because I don't have any content, to be honest. I already caught up, and I'm actually wrapping the car, and I still don't want to show you guys what color I have going on, which most of you guys already know. If you know, I've been talking about wrapping the F30 for a while, and yeah, you guys know what color I have. But for those that don't know, it's still gonna be a secret. Anyways, oh, Jesus Christ. What do you think? What do you think it is?
Swap. Fuck the automatic shit.
Well, I mean, there's definitely nothing wrong with the transmission, right? So we don't need to do a transmission swap right now. We try to figure out, get it running.
Engine, bro. The fuck?
A whole engine's not
400 horsepower on.
Yeah, it wants to go fast. I want something reliable, which in the SUV world is not happening, right? It's either or, right? You blow it up, and then you rebuild it, blow it up again, and do the same thing. But anyways, we're gonna try to figure out what it is. I know there's an EBAP sensor going out. It threw out the check engine, so it might be one of those sensors that is not working, or the spark plug. I don't know what it is, because it was running properly the day before. I'm sorry, 2 days before my brother took it. I drove it to Gilroy and came back with no problem. Let me get this real quick. That is it for today, boys. We don't know what's wrong with the Subaru. If you guys know or happen to know anybody that had the same problem, it's either it's not getting spark, it's not getting fuel, or who knows what. Let me know in the comment section below if you already come across this problem, because it's getting on my nerves and we need a daily, and also for my brother. Anyways, I'm going to end the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know this video is all over the place, but thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys until the next one.
Check it. Yo, this beat so heavily, so I just separately preach inside of my mind and take whatever's left of me. A soul dissecting me, yeah, a well-known enemy. Ever changing the man that I was for, my true identity, yo. Check out my pedigree, smooth, vicious and readily. Rule rhythms and melodies, fools, bitches and heavy weed. Fuck your amenity, life, a given memory. Time soon is ending it while we live in selfishly. Cynical brain, killing a physical frame, minimal gain. Pitiful lyrical moment of change, pinnacle stage, critical age. Everything that I've done in my life has led me to this day.